Is there life on Venus? We know that a Mars project is there, the SpaceX, which is found by the Elon Musk. Also, create a video on the recent invention of Elon Musk, that is brain chip. If you want to see, click the I button. Now we can go to our topic, whether you think that life is there in a Venus. The astronomer finds phosphines signals in cloud. The cloud belongs to Venus planet. Whether you don't know what is astronomer, person who studies universe. In this video, we're going to talk about the five things. The first one is about the discovery. The second one is what is phosphine. The third is how was gas phosphine is spotted. Fourth one is significance of discovery. And the last, so there is a life on the Venus. Welcome to our channel Independent CJ. The first one is about the discovery. The scientists are saying that there is a phosphine layer is there in the clouds of the Venus, which indicates that microbes can be lived in the Venus. We know that the farmers are using the phosphorus to the field, the cultivation of the fruits and vegetables and all the products because of this phosphorus and many more. The phosphine layer is present so that we can conclude that microbes can be lived. Second one is what is phosphine? So phosphine is a high toxic and colorless gas with odor of fish and or garlic. It is so it is chemically reactive that it break down quickly. On Earth, it is produced by a bacteria that can survive without oxygen. So you can ask the question that how was they spotted this gas? The international scientific team, the first spot the phosphine using the James Clerk Maxwell telescope in Hawaii and confirm it using the Atacama large millimeter or sub millimeter tray that is called as ALMA, the radio telescope in Chile, which is located in South America. Now you can ask what is significance of this discovery or importance of discovery. The new findings of will be further ignite interest in the space mission to the Venus previously overlooked the search of the extraterrestrial life because it is in the thick toxic atmosphere traps in the heat. Surface temperature on the Venus is 880 Fahrenheit, which is enough to melt the lead. Now you will be asking that, so the life is on the Venus is possible? Actually, the life forms is not been discovered. The observation is suggests the possibility of microbial activity in the upper layer of atmosphere. Research is continuing to confirm that there is a life or there is the explanation of this activity. Thank you for watching. You have seen entire video, so that I give a bonus tip. In 1961, the exploration of Venus is began. In 1962, first aircraft at Venus. In 1967, Venus atmosphere have contained that carbon dioxide, large amount of carbon dioxide, which is detected. 1975, the first time Venus is fixed. In 2010, Akatsuki is currently a Venus only a guest from the Earth was launched. At last, India planning to launch Sukryan 1 aircraft to the Venus by 2023.